Are you looking for the best insulation? In this video we will look at some of the best insulation. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 5. AEMC 2126.53 Digital Megohmmeter. AEMC is also a well-known brand for electronic appliances. You will find many different electronic devices with AEMC labels like Megohmmeter, ground clamp, phase rotation meter, etc. The AEMC 2126.53 is a digital megohmmeter that offers measurement of insulation resistance at 250, 500, and 1000 volts. For continuity resistance measurement, the range for this device ranges from 0.00 to 400 ohms. And the accuracy for the results is maintained at about 1.2% 4+-3 CTS reading. The AEMC 2126.53 AEMC 2126.53 also features an EST lock feature that lets you carry out timed measurements with ease. You will be able to use the EST lock feature for measurements ranging up to 15 minutes at a time. The device will auto-discharge itself once the insulation test is complete, making it a safer option. Offers insulation test at 125 volts, 250 volts, 500 volts, and 1000 volts. Offers 0.00 to 400 ohms continuity resistance measurement. Powered by corded connection. EST lock feature for timed measurement. Price range is a bit too high for the features. Number 4. Meter BT6688B Megohmmeter. Meter is also offering a budget-friendly option for an insulation resistance tester on our list. You will also find this unit highly versatile, just like the brand itself. The BTMETER BT6688B is also a high-capacity resistance tester which is suitable for professional on-site applications. Thanks to its compact size, you will be able to carry it wherever you go. And as for the testing capacity, you will find the BTMETER BT6688B compatible for a resistance range of 0.1 megohms to 200 gigohms. Even with such a high resistance capacity, the device maintains a pretty neat accuracy level of 3% 10% 4+5 digits of the result. As for the voltage range, you will be able to use the BTMETER BT6688B at 100 volts to 5000 volts. Coming to the safety, the BTMETER BT6688B is packed with double insulation and rated for a safety rating of overvoltage category 2 safety standard. Offers insulation test at 125 volts, 250 volts, 500 volts, and 1000 volts. Offers 0.1 M to 200 G ohms resistance measurement. Takes less than 10 seconds for smaller measurements. Overvoltage category 2 safety standard rating. Cannot be used for smaller measurements. Number 3. Fluke Megohmmeter Insulation Resistance Tester. In case you are looking for a professional insulation resistance tester, then it would be wise to go with Fluke. Fluke is a brand that is dedicated to premium range electronic measurement devices such as multimeters, testers, clamp meters, and a lot more. In the third position, we have the Fluke 1507 Digital Megohmmeter. As the name suggests, this device is designed for high-capacity applications and its resistance testing range ranges from 0.01 megohms all the way up to 10 gigohms. And since the device is still quite compact, it would be an ideal choice for testing heavy machinery on site. To make the testing process even easier for you, you will also find an additional remote test probe included within the package that allows you to test circuits from hard-to-reach areas. The Fluke 1507 Digital Megohmmeter also has a built-in safety feature that detects whether the circuit voltage is higher than 30 volts to keep the user safe. Offers insulation test at 50 volts, 100 volts, 250 volts, 500 volts, 1000 volts. Offers 0.01 megohms to 10 gigohms resistance measurement. Powered by batteries. Pass/fail function for repetitive testing. One of the most expensive insulation resistance testers. Number 2. LEAGY Victor Digital Insulation Resistance Tester. Since a lot of options in the market are designed for professional applications, we will be including a handful of basic options as well on our list. One great choice in that category could be the following insulation tester made by LEAGY. In second place, we are putting the LEAGY Victor VC60B Plus resistance tester. As you may have already noticed, this is the cheapest option you can find in the market right now, making it an ideal choice for beginners. Still, you will be able to measure up to 2000 Megohmmeter resistance on this resistance tester at 1000 volts. On top of that, this device also offers an accuracy of about plus or minus 4% plus 2 digits of the result, which is pretty good for such an affordable insulation tester. As for the display, you will find a large LCD display on the LEAGY Victor VC60B Plus with backlit features. Since this is a pretty compact device, you will notice minimal power consumption that is about 300 milliwatts. Offers insulation test at 50 volts plus or minus 10%, 500 volts plus or minus 10%, 1000 volts plus or minus 10%. Offers up to 2000 Megohmmeter resistance measurement. Powered by batteries. Large LCD display. Not a great choice for professional applications. Number 1. Klein Tools ET600 Multimeter Tester. Starting off, we have one of the most famous brands when it comes to electronic gadgets. Klein will offer you a wide range of options for electronic measurement instruments like an insulation resistance tester. In the first position, we are putting the Klein Tools ET600 Multimeter since it is the most popular option on our list. And rightfully so, as this is a multimeter, meaning it will offer you measurement results for many other types of testing apart from insulation resistance. This device is capable of testing insulation resistance up to 4000 Megohmmeter at various voltage levels such as 120, 250, 500, and 100 volts. The Klein Tools ET600 Multimeter has dedicated test and lock buttons so that the insulation testing process is now easier than ever. You will also have certain safety features on the device such as warning alarm, high voltage indication, etc. As for AC/DC voltage measurement, the Klein Tools ET600 Multimeter is capable of measuring the voltage up to 1000 volts. Offers insulation test at 125 volts, 250 volts, 500 volts, and 1000 volts. Offers up to 4000 Megohmmeter resistance measurement. 1000 volts AC/DC voltage measurement. TRMS technology for increased accuracy. Not suitable for small applications.